The Ensaïmada is a pastry product from Mallorca, Spain. It is a common cuisine eaten in most former Spanish territories in Latin America and the Philippines. The first written references to the Majorcan Ensaïmada date back to the 17th century. At the time, although wheat flour was mainly used for making bread, there is evidence that this typical pastry product was made for festivals and celebrations. The Ensaïmada de Mallorca is made with strong flour, water, sugar, eggs, mother dough and a kind of reduced pork lard named same. The handmade character of the product makes it difficult to give an exact formula, so scales have been established defining the proportion of each ingredient, giving rise to an excellent quality traditional product. The name comes from the Catalan word same, which means pork lard. In Mallorca and Ibiza there is a sweet called grisonera made with ensaïmada pieces left over from the day before. Variants: Balearic Islands, Spain. Among the variants of ensaïmada, the most common are lisa with no extra ingredient, cabal d'angel. The stringy orange strands found inside pumpkins are cooked with sugar to make a sweet filling that is rolled inside the dough. Toulades covered with sobrasada and pumpkin, obtaining a bittersweet taste. It is typical of carnival days, just before Lent, when meat are not supposed to be eaten. Creamer with cream made with eggs, filled with sweet cream, chocolate tartar and paste, covered with apricot. Ensaïmades produced far from Balearic Islands of Spain usually taste very different, mainly because the same kind of reduced pork lard is not used outside these islands of the nearby areas with similar culinary traditions, like Valencia or Catalonia. To tell whether pork lard has been used, if one can't tell by taste, a true ensaïmada must stain a piece of paper with the pork lard. Philippines. The Philippines also adopted the Majorcan ensaïmada as a Spanish colony for over 300 years. The Philippine variant has evolved over the centuries and is perhaps one of the most common delicacies in the country. The localized pastry is a brioche baked with butter instead of lard and topped with grated cheese and sugar. Upscale versions of ensaïmada can be topped with buttercream and sugar. During Christmas season, it is a tradition to top the pastry with a specially aged type of Edam cheese called queso de bola. It is also customary to eat ensaïmada with hot chocolate and strawberries during Christmas, due to its extreme popularity as a snack across the islands. Popular bake shop chains such as Goldilocks and Red Ribbon also offer ensaïmada with their own recipe. Puerto Rico. In Puerto Rico, another Spanish colony until 1898, the ensaïmada is called Mallorca and is traditionally eaten for breakfast or as an afternoon snack.